What's up, everybody? I'm back here again to annoy you. And actually, I'm not going to annoy you so much as I think I am going to amaze you. I know I haven't made a video in a while. I'm sorry. Get over it.
It's been months.
It's been about a month.
A month, 2 months.
Shut up! I'm trying to make an intro. Anyway, I have my friend here. If you can hear him. Can you hear him? Can they hear you?
Hi.
Hi. Yeah. He sounds like me. With a bit of a higher pitched voice. Hudson, stop rocking me. And, he makes an odd noise. He makes a couple of odd noises, in fact. Stop. He makes a couple of odd noises, in fact. And he has asked, by request, not to be viewed as a part of this video. So I'm just going to put his back there. See his back. Hudson, is that his back or is that his entire body?
His entire body. I'm just kidding. It's actually his back.
He's trying to get me in trouble. Anyway.
Hey, look, there's his foot.
That's my foot.
I know.
Anyway, so I'm gonna let you hear this, and then we're gonna pretend he's a new creature, and we're gonna name him in the comments if you ever watch this video and decide you want to name him. Okay, so buddy. Well, now you sound like a firework.
That's a leotard.
Do it the way you were doing it before.
I can't do it anymore.
That is a new species of peoples.
Peoples? What the fuck are you talking about?
Anyway, fine. It's a new species of animals. Let us know in the comments what we want to name this.
Leotard.
Shut up. Anyway, now I'm gonna let you hear something that, in my personal opinion, sounds kind of racist. Sort of. In a way, you may or may not get it, but no racism intended by it. It's still cool. So. So, okay, so that was an owl, or at least his best attempt at one. But it wasn't a normal owl.
Houdini. It was Houdini.
Hudson, we cannot use the trademark of other YouTubers on YouTube. That is basically...
I didn't know
well,
that.
copyright.
I'm not a YouTuber.
Houdini is a magician.
Houdini. Houdini is no longer a magician. Okay. Anyway, so that's all I wanted to show you right now. I just wanted you guys to hear that. Could you make the noise one last time? Right. Well, that is the elusive
Creature of the night.
Creature of the night. Night freak.
Yes.
That is the elusive. That is the elusive night freak. Even though if you look over there, it's technically not night, it's sunset. Anyway.
Dusk.
Well, now I'm going to leave this video here. If you liked it, like a tap on that like button, just a small tap, not even a big one.
And remember to leave a name of your chosen.
Yes, if you watch this video, please, by all means, let us know what you would name this in the comments.
I probably know what he would name it.
Hudson, shut up. So, I am going to leave this video here. I'm playing with my nipple right now.
Oh my god. No one needs to know that.
Everybody in the internet does.
My beautiful nipple. Anyway, now I'm going to leave this video here. If you liked it, tap on that like button.
Like a boss.
Like a boss. No, we can't say that. Shut up. God damn it. Okay.
Hey, Jacksepticeye. Love you.
Shout out to Jacksepticeye, which has 9 million subscribers. He needs to shout out to me. Jesus. Anyway, you two shut up so I can make my outro. This video is already like 2 minutes longer than I wanted it to be.
Yeah.
Hudson, stop.
Sorry.
Seriously. I'm going to leave this video here now. If you liked it, a tap on that like button is greatly recommended and slightly asked of. And if you haven't subscribed, it's up to you. I may not upload as constant as I did like a month ago when I uploaded.
2 months ago.
I'm trying to make an outro. Shut up! But eventually I will try and get back in the game and, you know, stop swinging. You are rocking the camera!
I think the camera will be fine. Continue.
Well, I'm going to leave the video here. So, yeah. Bye.